check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, got these 2 packs of baseball jumbo box from Rite Aid in Sacramento. And let's see what's inside. I forgot I paid, I think it was like $9, 10, who knows. And so it's right here, it says look for random insert cards, packs, retails, autographs, and more. So let's see what we got in here. God, this thing's really in there. God, this is so. Oh man, this is bullshit. Okay. All right. We got a Bowman. Bowman something. Bob Merrill says he's the manager for the A's now. Dean something. Yeah, once again, Joe Bryce. I got a lot of his cards. Feels like he's stalking me. Orford. Ooh, what's this one? Some of these cards are just. That's weird. Okay, some of these are kind of stick together. Goes red. I haven't seen cards I recognize. Kip Warren. I think just throw a bunch of commoner cards in here. Dale from an autograph. Maybe one of the worst packs to open. Brewers. One of my dear players. These cards are just knocking me over. Deep Sack. Not very he was a decent player during his time. Mostly with the Dodgers, Yankees. I think just Ram cards. The Jug era. I think somebody drove there. John Kitty. American. David Getty. Yeah, but he used to was a pitching coach for the Giants for a couple of years, for a couple of seasons. Billy Sweared. Him again. Got a cool card. Relaxing, waiting to play. Mike Greenwell. And John Davis. I don't see. Some of these cards are just pearly. Seeing cards you like, let me know. Some of these videos. Manager and coverage. Another magic card. Bob Rogers. Tom Ryan, 1981 rookie card or something. Close enough, I guess. I think just throw a bunch of cards in. Honestly, and then in the pack, 1990 Flair. I get the so-called rebate stickers. D-Lick. Oh, Robin. Oh, that's cool. Dale Murphy should be a Hall of Famer. Yeah, he managed the A's now. I already told you about that earlier. Jose Canseco. The cards are still kind of puff, I guess. Well, Clark, one of my dear players. Tom Grid and Buck Crib. And then you got this, the second pack. That was gonna be a death of me. I know why they made these things so freaking hard. Oh, God. I think it's like tamper proof or. Oh, Oh, I hate you. Hate you with a passion. Ah, it's like, look at that. It's like really thick glue. Why am I breaking the cards? Crappy cards. Ah, it's like words packed open. It's like a workout. Okay. Just random. Donruss. You pick one of the worst cards. O'Neal. J. Bill. Bob. Aaron Boone's father. Mike West. I got his card again. Bob. Got a big collection of his cards. Cards they always pick the player. Now you want player the worst. Top rookie. Van Spider. Cal Rickin Sr. Of course, everybody knows he's the father of the greatest player. One of the beautiful swings. Vance All-Star. Oh, Dad. I already get an autograph. Ray Rookie. Carlos Garcia. Well, that's kind of cool. It's an interesting card. Upper deck. Kind of beautiful card. You get the team checklist. So far, a couple rookies, no Hall of Famers. I remember him. He's kind of a decent player during his time. Bunch of comic cards. And I never heard of this guy. And it comes, and there's more, 3 more packs. Sage Hammer comes tonight. Blair, 10th anniversary. Whoopie doo. That's kind of a neat card. Never see this tile. There's Strawberry. It was like playing against the Giants. Give him a Hall of Famer. And then last pack. Stickers, tribute, Orioles, Jose Felix. Almost rookie card. Blvd. I'll find Jose Uribe. So cool. Error card. And they're fixed, so people charging $20,000 or something. All my favorite players during this time. Got a rookie. Let me see. Bobby Ross. This player I've never heard of. Well, Spike Owen. I always like his name. Actually, his real name is Spike. Got his rookie. Buy his rookie card on eBay for like $1. 84 top, I think. So yeah, like and subscribe. That's it. Like and subscribe. Let me know the thing. I got these cards from Rite Aid. Don't know the price I paid, but I think I paid too much. There it was. So thanks for watching.